Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. The video that I promised you about 2 or 3 videos ago. And this time I'm showing you another car that I've bought. So this is going alongside the 166, as you know, it's bought as sort of a daily car alongside the Project 166, but it turned out that I was using and still use the 166 as a daily because I just prefer driving it more than this car. This is the B7 Audi A4. A lot of my friends say that this is the worst of the A4 range, and I don't know if I would agree with them. I personally love the design of it. But the engine, I'm not a huge fan of the engine. So it's the least powerful 1.9 TDI with 115 horsepower. And yeah, it's not a good engine. I mean, sure, the reliability is great, but the power and the fuel consumption are terrible. I must say they're terrible. Let me just... And these carpets, these carpets they're horrendous. They've got to go as soon as possible. Let's check under the hood. Let me just find the hood latch. So, as you can see, 1.9 TDI. Yeah, there's nothing to be said about this engine. It's slow, loud, uses a lot of fuel, and that's basically it. No joy under this hood. But apart from that, the car has been maintained very, very well. It's got S-line suspension and S-line seats in it, which the seats themselves are excellent. I mean, they're comfortable as hell, and they do look very nice. I'm not sure that these are S-line seats. They might be just sport seats, because there's no S-line on them. Apart from that, I mean, just standard kit with the cruise control. It doesn't even have the 3-spoke steering wheel with commands on it. No satellite navigation, no 6th gear. I mean, it does have these nice 17-inch alloy wheels, which are not original Audi wheels, but they do look quite okay on it. I mean, sorry for it being dirty, I just didn't have the time to wash it. As you can see, the rear windows are tinted like a lot, which I'm actually okay. Oh, just a sec. As you can see, in the rear it does look quite nice. I love this Alcantara leather combination. This is stained. I don't know what it's from, but what can you do? The rear of this car does look okay, and the front as well. And it does have xenon headlights, actually bi-xenon headlights, which I think look excellent on this car. And as you can see, we have some bags here, just so just so it doesn't get dirty, from carrying things. Yeah, the car itself is pretty filthy, as you can see. But that's okay. I don't mind it. Yeah, regarding this car, I don't have really any complaints apart from it being slow as hell and using a lot of fuel. It uses more fuel than the 166, which is very surprising. Yeah, I don't like it about this car at all. Now, to continue with the driving aspect of the car actually drives fine. It's a bit firm on the suspension side of things. It is an S-line suspension after all, which means it sits a bit lower and is a bit firmer. And it handles corners very well, paired with these good winter tires. These are Dunlops. And you know, don't have anything to complain about regarding the turnability and the cornering speeds, cornering safety. That's all very good. As I've mentioned before, the only thing that I can complain about is the power of the car and the fuel consumption, which, let's see here, average fuel consumption 9.4 liters per 100 kilometers. And you know, okay, that's town driving, but on longer journeys it doesn't go below 6.5 liters per 100 kilometers, which is not okay for this car, in my opinion. The 166 uses far less fuel than this. I can get the 166 on motorway driving, you know, 5.5 liters per 100 kilometers, and non-motorway driving, like open roads, it's less than 5 liters per 100 kilometers. And you know, I'm far more satisfied with that car than this car in regards of power, comfort, fuel consumption, looks all around, inside kit. Yeah, everything's better in that car than this car. But you know, I've bought this car to be the reliable one of the group, and so far it has been reliable. So now it's at, sorry, the road is bumpy. It's at 302,000 kilometers. I've bought it at 298 approximately. So, you know, 4,000 kilometers thereabout. And no problems with it so far. It's been good. I can't complain. So yeah, that's been that in regards of the update on the car that I promised you, and finally I'm now delivering it. And yeah, let me know if you want to see something about this car that I haven't shown in this video, and I'll see you in the next video, whenever that may come. And I don't know when this video will come out, but if it doesn't come out until Christmas, I want to wish all of you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So yeah, that's it. Take care. Bye bye.